You can purchase these button labels at tulsaarcades.com. Here's a quick video on how to install the label. First, what you're gonna do is you'll pop the little clips on the side of the button. Then you're gonna go ahead and pull this out, this plastic piece right here. And now what you'll do is take your desired button label and you're gonna apply it to the plastic piece. This is a simple process. It's real easy to do. The most important thing you do is make sure that you push it down firmly and go around the side, because when the lights are on the button, you can kind of see if it's lifted. So make sure you get it nice and firm. And that's pretty much it. And you can purchase these, like I said, at tulsaarcades.com.